Do you want to easily import your Jodoo form submissions into Google Sheets? I'm Erica, and today, I'll show you how. I'll walk you through the simple steps to export your data and get it into Google Sheets. Let's get started. First up, log into your Jodoo account and head to the form you want to work with. For this example, I'm going to head to my contact form. Once we are here, click on Manage Data to view your submissions. On the taskbar, click on the Export option and select All Data. Before export starts, you can select which fields you want included in your export. Maybe you only need names, emails, and messages, or maybe you want every piece of data. Just pick what makes sense for you. Once everything looks good, hit Export. Give it a few seconds to prepare your file. When it's ready, you'll see a notification prompting. Click to download it, and you're done with the Jodoo side. Next, go to your Google Drive, click New, and upload your downloaded file to Google. Once it's uploaded, double-click to open it in Google Sheets. Google Sheets will do its magic and convert your file into a workable spreadsheet. And that's it! You've successfully exported your Jodoo submissions into Google Sheets. I hope this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment or join our community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time!